Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Cybersecurity Certificate 2026. There is no exam and free certification you will get. So this provider is the Hackviser and the certification is CORE. So we'll go through the step-by-step process regarding to how to get this certificate. So earn your first free cybersecurity certificate with the Hackviser core. And in this video, we'll learn everything about the Hackviser course. That is the Certified Cybersecurity Foundation certification. And this beginner-friendly cybersecurity certification is 100% free, require no exam, and automatically generates your certificate after the completing the required learning content or path. So enroll link is this one. When we'll open this link, we'll go through the all the steps. First, let me complete the below things. So what you will learn on this video. So introduction to cybersecurity, cyber kill chain, incident response lifecycle, network fundamental, web fundamentals, OWSP top 10 2025, and LLM security fundamentals, OSINT information gathering, social engineering and phishing, cryptanalysis and basic and practical cybersecurity warm-ups, and attacker and defender mindset. So why we'll choose the Hackviser core? So this is completely free, no exam is required, no payment or VIP membership is required, and beginner friendly and automatic certificate generation. So let me open this URL. So when we'll open this URL, you will find this page. There is a cybersecurity certificate, and certificate will be looks like this. After getting the certificate, your certificate will be looks like this. So there is a logo and certificate ID. There is a core certified cybersecurity fundamental, and your name will be there. And he has earned the cybersecurity fundamental core certification. And there is a training module and practical security exercise is there. So demonstrating fundamental competence in cybersecurity. Issue date, you will find the date and the signature of the CEO, and this is the verify URL. So issued by the Hackviser. So all the steps will go. So there is a 100% $0 free access, beginner friendly, practical exercise, and self placed. So there is a option. Click here to claim this free certificate. So core cybersecurity certificate fundamental, no VIP is needed. This is $0 and start core for free. So views the curriculum and all the why will choose all the details you can find there. So these are the skill you will learn there: cybersecurity concept, network fundamental, web fundamental, and top 10 OWSP, LLM security, and already we have discussed about this one. Now you can log in there. So there is a login option is there. Login or register yourself. After login, you will find this page. So this page you can find all the details, and this is a free introduction, all the details about that and all the skills about that, prerequisites and certification process. So enroll for free, complete the free fundamental content, and receive your certificate automatically. So now if you go through the module, you can find there is a total seven modules are there. Okay. So introduction, if you go to the content, just like I will show you the example. So let me open this. So here you can find there is a start button will be there. When will start, you have to complete all the training sessions. These are last, you have an exam. You have to pass with the this is the exam. You have to submit all the. So I have already completed. You have to pass with the 80 or 85%, 70, 83%, depend upon the questions and uh, this one exam type. So there is a objective questions are there. So like that, all the questions you can find, and all the means all the module there is a some exams. Okay. So when you complete this one, after that there is a practical exercises there. So there is a four. practical. The one is arrow, another file hunter, secure command, and query gate. So I'm going through the one. This is very important and something different on this, because online you have to do all the things. So let it open. So now there is a option to connect. So when you connect, click on the connect, you can find connect with the VPN. So you have to download the VPN download and connect with the instructions. If you click this one, there is a VPN configuration will be there. Click this, it will allow you to download. So there is a downloaded. Now let me clear that. So we have downloaded this and open the detail instruction. So click this, download the Windows installer. So this one, the Open VPN, you have to download the installer. So click this one. You have to complete this also, then only you will get a certificate. So there is a 4 part and you have to go through this step for the VPN. So client connect VPN for this. So there is your option, you can click here and download, or you can download through the Microsoft Store. So click there. There is your option to download the MSI installer. Click this. We are downloading the OpenVPN client. So click here to download. So download is started. After download, just install this one. After installing, you will find this one, OpenVPN Connect, and we have just started with this VPN configuration. Okay, so come here. We'll upload the OPVPN file there. So go to this plus, and here there's your options to upload file. So click there. You have created one file. So these are the files. So like that, you have to select the file, and then we'll go through the continue. Okay. So connect. Go to the home and you can click on the connect. When you will connect, it will be connected with the VPN. So just you can see this is connected. So minimize this, close this one. And next instruction is this. You have then this is here you can see this is connected. Before this was is connecting. Connect option was there. So next you have to go through there. So you have to start the server. Click. You want to start. So starting. There you can machine is starting. So let it start. And there is open write up. Open this write up and they will show you the connection. And here we can see the same page, and we'll run the command. Just this is a command telnet and our IP address. Then it will show you the other detail. So in step one, go through that task one and task two, nmap. You have to run the nmap and the IP address. Then you will find the open port. Uh, Let it open. This is completed. Started. So stop button is there. Now I want to open the machine. Where is that? Wow, is there? Wait a minute. I want to open the machine. Usage connected and so arrow. Go to the warm up. Okay, we can stop the machine. That is okay, but I'm not able to access the machine. Already, I have completed all the tasks. So after opening this one, you will find the page, and it will be looks like this. The browser in browser, you can find your server, and you have to run the command nmap, and there is a IP. IP will be there. Just I'm starting again. I'll show you this one. Let it start. I'll get the detail. Okay, so you got the IP. So just click there, you can find the IP. We got the IP. So this is my IP 172.20.11.75. So this IP I got. I have to run this IP with the command nmap and we can find the telnet port. So we have already completed. So that's why I'm not able to see this. So like that, you have to move to another. Uh, here, go to the second. Okay, connect with the okay. We have option there. So if you click there, connect to the hacker box. So open, go to the hacker box. So we got the IP 2011.75. So you can take a help from there. So nmap and 2011.75, then you will get the open port and name of the service. So both you have to submit here. Here you can see okay, we got this. Closing this, right click on that. You can open the terminal. It could not 50 seconds before. You should wait 15 seconds before start the again. Okay. So why some reason? So let me connect again. So meanwhile, so you will get a question like that. So here also, which port is are open and what does the FTP stand for? Full form of that username and did you connected to the FTP? You can find the step by step and you can go through this one. Uh, this one open write up. So write up will help you to give the answer of the questions. Okay, we have daily hacker box minute limit. Okay, so same it will open and you can go through the step by step process and your certificate will be looks like this. So if you are starting your cybersecurity journey in 2026, this is the open of one of the best certification to begin with. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the fair use section 107 copyrighted 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video and for any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. And like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. This is the channel Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.